So just coming into Phil Price Rally School now in mid Wales, right on the Shropshire border. I used to live over this way, live down in southwest Wales now. I did come here once before when they had Mark II Escorts. Now we've got Subaru Imprezas, so very much looking forward to getting behind the wheel of one of those. I'm doing my bars exam today, which will qualify me to enter stage rallying. Here we are, Phil Price Rally School. It's a little dirt road. Tempted to start racing down them, but my M118 BMW set up for the road, and I don't want to break it on the dirt. I'm going to save that for my 316 BMW, which I'm going to be converting to a rally car. Very exciting. So I'm just doing my exam now, multiple choice questions. I think I should be okay. The guys have been through it with us this morning anyway, very helpful. It's not about, you know, trying to catch you out. They want to know that you've got the information, you understand it. So yeah, here we go for my exam. Finished my written paper. I feel like I've got 100% there. So you'll see behind me somebody in the rear wheel drive car. I'm making it look spectacular, so it's helpful. Just been out for a run. I did 2 laps in the blue car, which is the 4-wheel drive, which is about 300 horsepower. and then the two-wheel drive car, which is the red car, rear wheel drive, so getting used to sliding the back end around. I've been drifting around too much, making it look spectacular but losing time. So I've got really good car control, they tell me, but I need to keep my lines tighter, and both instructors, both John and James, have been sort of saying the same thing. So it sounds like I'm going to pass the bars because my driving standard is there, but I'm losing a lot of time by going sideways. So finished my day at Phil Price Rally School. I'm driving back down to southwest Wales now, which is where I live. Phil Price Rally School's up in Mid Wales in Knighton. So I've got all these lovely lanes to contend with on the way home, which is quite a bit of fun as well. I'm trying not to get too excited though, as I'm still in rally mode a little. I learnt a lot today at the school, particularly staying on the line where other cars have driven. If you go off into the gravel or you're off the line, very easy to lose control. Hitting the brakes hard as well. You've got to remember, if the car starts to slide and I'm heading off into a bank, come off the brake so you get your steering back and turn in. I passed the bars exam, so I can apply for my rally license now. I'm planning on doing stage rallying. Forest stage rallying is my lifelong ambition. That's my goal. I think maybe hire a car next year to start myself off, something small, up to a 1.4 or something like that. Get used to some stage rallying before I build my BMW, which will have a bigger engine. It might be up to 2 litre, and it will be rear wheel drive, that will, so lots of sideways action hopefully. Although I've learned today that going sideways too much just slows you down. You only want to be hanging the back out slightly. So I'm going to head back down there. There's my car sitting there waiting for me. Going to head back down now, head back to Wales. It's my 50th birthday today. Going to go and see my girlfriend for a pint and collect my kids.